So you can make its first circle like that, and after that we are creating like this, long down, okay, like this. And here I just divide it. This is the divided eyes. This is eyes line. Always this is eyes line. Okay. So now I just divide it. This is the face of the mouth. Okay. Here from here is a neck. Okay. This is first make it the basic shape.
Are you all my personal dream?
Make the basic shapes after that. Hi ma'am. Apursa there. Yeah. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Everything you know is in your mind.
Yeah. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. No problem. So, ma'am, it is 2 classes. It is 1 class is 1,000 only. Okay ma'am. For 1 month. Yeah. Okay, so for Nivedita is 1,000 monthly, and for Nirandam is 1,700 monthly. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. So now after that, okay. After that, I just go ahead. The basic steps is done. Okay. So now I'm going to very simple basic step. If you complete, done basic step, all of you done. Yes, Prakriti is very fast. Sure. So now after that we are going to drawing. So this is the eyes line, so I can make it eyes first. Okay. We are making eyes like this. Pala kecho. Pala kecho. Banana. Banana कुछ है. So now after that we are making the eye. This is eye, and I make the eyebrow over here. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. Now I just make its eye line over here, and I want to make the glass. Okay, spectre. Okay, this is specs. You can draw over here. Done that much? Okay.
Everything you know is in your mind.
Okay. The next part is that. No. Okay. Next, you can do this nose part over here. Okay. So you can put the nose from here. See, like this. The long nose. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. Okay, long nose. Come on.
Are you all my personal dream?
Fine. So now after that I do this mouth parts like this. 1, 2. Okay. And this is chin. Okay. This is caricature kind of character. So we have to like. Sorry. Fine. And here I draw this ear part. Okay. This is a hair. And next like this, neck from here. Okay. And we're creating the heads like this. Okay. And make some cap. Make some cap like old man. Okay. Old man cap like this.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Here. Okay. This is some old man cap. Okay. So and make some shadow.
Everything you know is in your mind.
Like this. You can put some shadow over here also. Okay, here's some shadow. Here's some shadow. Okay. So I'm gonna use the
Are you all my personal dreams?
brush pen. Where my brush pen? I think I missed. My baby actually always take everything of my pen, pencils. Where did I take my brush pen? Yeah, I got my brush pen. Okay. So I can make it with the brush pen I can create. Okay. I can make some this is some here, some stylized here.